So we've woken up pretty early and we've come to a place called Hanoi. We've been here before, but this morning we're shooting Blue Hour, which is something I haven't really done before. It's cool on this trip. I feel like I've learned a lot of photography stuff since I've been here for Johan and P's workshop, which has been pretty useful. I'm documenting it, so I'm shooting video and stuff, but I also feel like being around all these different locations and listening to them, I've been learning a lot, which is really neat. Probably should have done a photography or video workshop earlier in my career, but yeah, it's so pretty here. Blue Hour, I'll put a few shots in of like what Blue Hour looks like, but yeah, it's really pretty. Energy levels are high, the sun's about to peek through, we have a really small gap before it goes behind some clouds.
Big gap, 10-minute gap. It's gonna be golden, it's gonna be lit. Lit AF.
Alright. If we get there in time.
If we will.
Oh, yeah. Alright, Johan's confidence level is 100% now, he says, so we're gonna head down here a little ways. You guys probably recognize this spot from the other day. Super pretty, but we didn't really have that good light. So you can see there in the distance, there's literally like a very small window of light. We're hoping the sun comes up through there and just peeks through. Johan uses this app called Photo Pills that shows you the time and direction the sun's coming from, so you can actually see over the horizon where the sun's gonna be. So I downloaded it and I looked, and sure enough, it's gonna be right here. So fingers crossed, if it comes up, it could be perfect, like right here on the mountains and stuff, and it could glow. But we'll see. Other than that, though, I mean, it's legitimately snowing right now, so we'll see what happens.
So that's pretty sweet, and we're gonna be lucky. Sweet. How to use photo pills in a good way.
100%?
Happy way. 100%, man.
200, dude.
100%.
There's always more than 100. It's 200.
We don't know how long it would last. How long it would last. 1 minute, 10 minutes, but maybe 20 minutes. I would go for 5 minutes.
Is this your first time flying?
No, like, you know.
How's it look?
He's cold.
We have a compass error, which isn't good, but...
Wait, I didn't put my antenna out. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that.
Oh my god.
Don't show.
Okay. I think we're gonna be lucky. Amped?
Oh my god, it's already happening. This is unreal. Oh my god. This is nuts.
That's so exciting. Look at that!
That's so sick. Until they start attacking your...
Yeah, right. Then it's gonna be it's gonna suck. But now it's so good though. Oh, I'm feeling this. I'm shaking almost.
That's because you're cold.
How could I live without a drone? What the fuck? Where was this camera settings?
It's here.
I don't know nothing about this thing.
This one? The camera?
Okay.
But I don't know French.
Okay, I'm doing this. Here. Photo. Pano.
Yeah?
I don't want
Vertical?
pano, do
No,
I?
you don't want... No. Just go back. I get a panorama with landscape shots. No worries.
I got it. So weird.
So it actually looks just as good as I was hoping it would. Johan was right. The sun's peeking through. I don't think there's probably much more than like 10 minutes left, so I'm racing over to grab my drone to get some epic shots. I already got a few photos that I'm happy with. It's so fun. I feel like every day we're on kind of like this mission where we're like chasing down sunlight or an aurora or something like that. I've been tired the whole week, but like super stoked to get some like probably the best photos I've ever taken. How is it, man?
It's insane.
Is it?
This is like the perfect contrast you want to get on an image. So good. Oh man.
Happy with the light?
So happy. so nervous about the seagulls. But that's insane, like perfect mix of warm and cold, blue and red. Man, this is... drones, they've changed my life, man.
Hashtag sponsored by DJI.
Not at all, not even. But I like you, DJI, so if you guys want to reach out to me, I'm here.
Really?
Okay, man, can you just carry that when I'm driving, please?
Dude, what the heck? Dude, what could possibly be the difference between all of these?
It's just the lens. I hate switching lens.
Dude, overkill. This is so great. Grass rooftops are my favorite thing.
Oh yeah.
That's so great.
Very cool.
Like, how does that even work? Yeah, there's just like a little chunk of soil and grass. The question is why?
Insulation.
Is that really it? Just cheap insulation?
Yep.
Wow. Well done. Final shot before we're headed back right now on the road. We stopped at a couple places along the way to take some more pictures, but I think we're headed back to the lodge to chill for a bit. Wow. Chips and Corona. What'd you say, successful shoot day?
Half successful, I guess. Yeah, good sunrise, bad aurora.
True.
Going out speed.
Wow. Left it in drive. Drive much in Amsterdam? Used to a bicycle?
It's a bike city, man.
Alright guys, the moment I've been waiting for and the reason we came on this trip, the Northern Lights. I haven't seen them yet. I saw them a little bit earlier in the week, but I haven't seen them to this extent. We looked outside as we were cooking dinner and we saw that the Aurora was happening right outside our window. We're going to drive to a better location to get some shots. I'm so excited. We've kind of been relaxing today after this morning, so I am so stoked to go out. This is my first time seeing the Northern Lights here in the Lofoten Islands in Norway. Well, actually just in general, but it's cool to do it here. I'm so excited right now. It looks insane. Oh my God. That's insane. Holy freaking crap. What the hell? This is incredible.
Big one, huh? Wow, this is great.
Right, so let me explain what just happened. We skipped dinner for the Aurora. Day 3.
Yes. Love it, man.
Yeah, it's meant to be.
Meant to be,
We were
dude.
not meant to be eating at that time.
Nope.
Mike.
Chasing auroras. What's up?
Do you mind driving?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright guys, Aurora vibes are going strong.
Dude, so
Mike behind the
sick.
wheel. Let me show you what's going on. We're chasing.
Alright, we've reached the spot. The Aurora is happening right in front of us. It's super beautiful. I'm gonna pull out my tripod and get some long exposure shots, as is everyone else. This is already, just using my eyes though, it's already really, really cool. Such an insane experience. Thanks for watching the vlog today, guys. I was so excited to see the Northern Lights. It truly is like such an incredible experience. especially since we hadn't really planned on it. We had been sitting there eating dinner, and then we started to see the glow in the sky, and we jumped out of our seats to go race to some nearby locations to film. I can't really describe the feeling of seeing the northern lights. I mean, I feel like the hairs on my arms were standing up a little bit, and it really made me feel how small we really are in this world. But give me a subscribe, check me out on Instagram, Mike_Dewey, and I will see you guys in the morning.